Hey friends, if you wish to use the GpUpdate command to force group policy updates on a local or remote computer, then please watch this video. But before anything else, you need to know that this only works for work computers which are connected to an organization's domain and are managed by a server. This will not work on your home computer. I have a home computer, but I'll show the procedure. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator in the right pane. Open the elevated command prompt window. Type the command gp update /force and hit enter. This will start updating the policy. It won't update on my system. There is no policy on my system, but it will still say computer policy update has completed successfully. User policy update has completed successfully, and group policy update would also have completed successfully if it was a work computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.